Hey folks, I get a question like this quite often, especially from those of you who have never been on a cruise ship, and there's a misconception that all cruises are all inclusive. Well, the fact of the matter is you can go an entire cruise without paying a single thing for food on most of the mainstream cruise line. Now, Virgin Voyages takes it one step further. They have all of the food included on their cruises. But most mainstream cruise lines like Royal Caribbean that I'm on right now, I am currently sailing on the Symphony of the Seas, you have included food. You can eat all week long without paying a cent. Or they have specialty restaurants which do come with an extra fee. And you do see me eating at a lot of those because we enjoy those as well. But on the Symphony of the Seas, you can go all week without paying for any food. The Cafe Promenade, they're gonna have some snacks and light sandwiches. Park Cafe has breakfast and lunch every single day, soups, sandwiches, salads, things like that. El Loco Fresh is a Mexican restaurant on here. You can get breakfast on there and lunch, you know, your quesadillas, your burritos, your tacos, things like that. The Solarium Bistro is a really nice buffet, and that is going to be breakfast, lunch, and dinner up in the front of the ship. Sorrento's Pizza, gonna be honest, not very good, but it is included. And the Windjammer Marketplace, that's the big buffet up on the top of the ship, breakfast, lunch, and dinner all day long. And of course, the main dining room. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places that you can eat just on this ship, the Royal Caribbean Symphony of the Seas, and not pay an extra cent. And so that's how it works on cruise ships. You have included food, and then you have specialty dining that you pay extra, but you can literally go the entire cruise without paying a thing for food.